sure that by now everyone knows that Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Economics. But do you know who they are?
What their work is about?
And how it is going to impact everyone's life?
Well, let's find out. Both Paul Robert Milgrom and Robert Butler Wilson are American economists and professors in Stanford University.
And they won the Nobel Prize for their inventions on the new auction formats. But before going ahead, let's understand what an auction is.
जब भी हम ऑक्शन का नाम सुनते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में एक पिक्चर आती है, एक मकान जिसको कोई बैंक नीलाम कर रहा हो क्योंकि उसका ओनर बैंकरप्ट हो चुका है,
या फिर एक हाई एंड आर्ट ऑक्शन की.
This is just one type of auction.
Auction simply means selling and buying of goods and services by putting them up for bidding. For example, bidding for that dress on eBay.
Or farmers buying or selling animals in livestock market, etc.
Now, you must be thinking, how does auction affect us normal people? Well, the electricity bill that you pay at the end of the month, that depends on auction. The bill that you pay to your telecom operators for data usage, that depends on auction.
But to understand auction in more depth, we need to understand two most important auctions, that is English auction and Dutch auction.
In an English auction, the auctioneer starts with a low price and subsequently suggests increasing higher prices. The participants can see all the bids and choose whether they want to place a higher bid. Whoever has placed the highest bid wins this auction and pays what he or she bids.
But other auctions have completely different rules. A Dutch auction starts with higher price which is gradually lowered until the object is sold.
पर एक पुराने ऑक्शन फॉर्मेट्स में प्रॉब्लम क्या थी कि एक नए ऑक्शन फॉर्मेट की जरूरत पड़ गई.
Well, the old auction is having a lot of problems and the major one was winner's curse. In this, the winner overbids the price of the item above its actual worth. Thus, even if an individual wins, he is paying a very high cost. This is called a winner's curse.
Let's take an example of telecom spectrum auction to understand winner's curse. Suppose there are three bidders, Airtel, Jio and Vodafone, and they all are invited to this spectrum auction. Suppose they start bidding higher and higher for a particular spectrum. Let's say at a certain point of time, Vodafone and Jio stop bidding because they know that if they bid higher, they might win the auction, but by paying more than what the auction is worth.
The winner in this case is Airtel, who wins the bid and gets the spectrum license, but at a very high cost. So, who will be affected by it? Obviously, Airtel and its users, because now they have to pay extra price for the same services as compared to Vodafone and Jio users.
Note that this was just an imaginary example to understand the winner's curse.
Let us now understand some of the solutions given by Milgrom and Wilson to deal with the winner's curse. The first one is simultaneous multiple round auctions.
The simultaneous multiple round auctions allow the bidder to place bids for arbitrary number of objects over multiple rounds. The multi-round feature reduces the winner's curse because information is revealed in every round.
At the first round, the prices of all the objects are kept sufficiently low so that every object is in excess demand. But as soon as the rounds progress, the bidders can raise the bids in integer increments for the object they would like to buy. Then, at the end of each round, the provisional winner is declared.
At that point, bidding closes and provisional winners in the last round are assigned the objects and pay their current bids.
SMRA की भी कुछ वीकनेसेस हैं, जैसे कि एक्सपोजर प्रॉब्लम. तो उसे ओवरकम करने के लिए मिलग्रॉम और विल्सन ने कॉम्बिनेटोरियल क्लॉक ऑक्शन का सजेशन दिया.
Now note that before this, all auctions were done for a single item, but in combinatorial clock auction, a package of items are put up for bidding over multiple rounds. This is called the clock stage.
Prices increase until there is no excess demand for any of the object. The supplementary stage is a sealed bid auction process in which the bidders can improve their bids from the clock stage and can put additional bid for a combination of objects.
And finally, a winner is decided in the combinatorial clock auction through the winner determination problem stage.
मिलग्रॉम और विल्सन का नेक्स्ट सजेशन था इंसेंटिव ऑक्शन।
इंसेंटिव ऑक्शन में गवर्नमेंट कंपनी को दिया हुआ स्पेक्ट्रम जो कि कंपनी विलिंगली छोड़ना चाहती है, उससे गवर्नमेंट रिवर्स ऑक्शन में वो स्पेक्ट्रम खरीद लेती है और फिर दूसरे कंपनी को जिसे कि इस स्पेक्ट्रम की जरूरत है उसे फॉरवर्ड ऑक्शन के थ्रू बेच देती है। अल्टीमेटली इससे जो नई कंपनी है जिसे फॉरवर्ड ऑक्शन के थ्रू स्पेक्ट्रम मिला है उसे फायदा होता है, प्लस उसके यूजर्स को भी फायदा होता है।
Now that we have a fair idea about the new auction formats, it will be very interesting to see the upcoming 5G spectrum auction in India.
If you learned something new by the end of this video, please share the knowledge by sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you for your time.